Well, let's take a look at the air pollution crisis in the national capital and in North India. Now, the Supreme Court has asked the government to hold an emergency meeting to decide on how to tackle this situation and come up with a concrete plan. During a hearing on air pollution crisis yesterday, the Supreme Court had expressed its unhappiness over the executive not being able to take concrete steps to tackle the crisis and said it's very unfortunate. We have to set the agenda for them. They also said that the cat is out of the bag, that the blame is unnecessarily put on farmers and stubble burning. Centre and 3 states of Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, you must come up with a complete proposal. If you don't, then don't blame us for giving directions, is what Justice Surya Kant said, and the hearing will take place on the issue tomorrow. Well, let's go across to Shonakshi now for more. And Shonakshi, now in Delhi already emergency steps have come into place. Schools are online. Work from home has been mandated for government offices and asked for private as well as construction activity was shut down for 3 days. So now the government to come up with a clear action plan, including the centre and all states, because it's a coordinated effort that's required.
Well, morning Gargi, and to all our viewers, then yes, we continue to track the pollution problem and the toxic air really that Delhiites are made to suffer to breathe. But a quick check at those figures, at those numbers, the overall AQI, the air quality index at the moment, if we go by the app, it says it's at a 331. It's in the very poor category. So yes, Delhiites continue to breathe very poor categories of air quality, and that has continued for days now. Really since Diwali. The PM 2.5 levels too continue to be at very poor levels. I am at the Parliament area, which has been seeing a lot of construction work because of the development program, the development project of the Central Vista. But a quick look also at the India Gate, which of course we have been showing you every day. But today, if I can just point out, you cannot even see the monument. You cannot even see that structure. Although the peak AQI levels are slightly lesser on the application, but here we can barely stand and see the India Gate. So it is covered in a very thick blanket of smog, of that pollution. I can just show you, and also if I can point out that the construction activity at this moment in this area, the Central Vista program, the project, that's taking place for months now. You can not see those trucks here. You cannot see any labourers, the daily wage labourers who are usually at this hour up and above their activities. They are not seen now at the moment. So you can see that here the construction activities too, for now you can see that it is on a pause. But yes, very significant on that major important meeting, that emergency meeting really that the centre has been told to conduct. All eyes on all the coordinated efforts of the governments will be monitored, and because it has been made very clear that pollution is a coordinated effort, the fight is not just Delhi's problem but also the adjoining areas, given that the court has also, Supreme Court top lawyer also said that 10% of that stubble burning is in fact contributing to Delhi's pollution problem.
All right, Shonakshi, thanks so much for joining us there with the latest.